guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is another package from kind Bosnianbill. It came on the 24th of December, so that was Christmas Eve. So I think we should call Bosnianbill Santa Bill or Billy Claus. Thank you so much, my friend. I knew what was going to be in this package, so I let my little boy open it. He seems to like opening any package that comes for me. Basically, what's inside this? Some plug followers. I've literally got to test these out for Bill. They take a lot of time to make on the 3D printer. So a set of those that I'm going to be keeping to one side. And there's another set just there. So they're experimental. I think Bill's made them for me to give a little bit of a test and see what I think. But these could be handed out on the forum. Best part of this is this package, and it's literally full of Peterson bits. There are loads here, literally lots and lots. There's rakes, like that, black handled Petersons, half diamonds. Try put them up against my jumper. So lots and lots there, and the agreement, or should I say the parcel, was delivered for me to put these on our forum as either giveaways or, as I said, little competitions. So there's a huge amount to get through there. I'm keeping a couple of these just for backups, as sort of Bill recommended, but I am definitely sending a couple of these off to JJ on our UK Lock Sport forum. So they're going to be giveaways. Like I say, there's a huge pile there. Giveaways or little competitions on the forum. So guys, be expecting a few of these. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Bill, for sending these. You're an absolute diamond. Happy picking, and always keep it legal.